Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device won't shut off mid-change. Plug it in or confirm battery is above 10%. Next, open Settings, tap the gear icon or swipe down and use the search bar to jump to battery or power. Once there, scan for power saving, battery saver, or low power mode. You're doing this to restore full performance and allow background apps to update. Make sure you note any schedules or automatic triggers listed before you change anything. You now tap the power saving or battery saver toggle to switch it off. This restores CPU scaling, sync frequency, and network access. Once done, dive into advanced options, turn off scheduled timers, and remove app-specific restrictions that may still limit performance. Also make sure brightness caps or reduced refresh rate settings are reset if they were applied by the mode. You do this because toggles alone don't always revert every limit. Checking the detailed control. Finish by restarting your device. A reboot applies all changes and clears temporary power profiles. After the restart, open several apps and watch for normal refresh rates, background sync, and notification delivery to confirm full power is restored. If you still see limits, go to battery settings and reset battery preferences or check for a system update. Sometimes firmware enforces power modes. One key troubleshooting tip: if performance stays reduced, disable any third-party battery managers and try again before seeking support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.